Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Nola, Don't Look. It is a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise, and I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instructions. Before I do, as a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you want to dance to the music, just watch to the end and click right here. Also, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504 251 0674. So instructors, this is another easy peasy. You can easily call this out on the dance floor and keep your class moving. Let's go to this wall. Let's go to this wall right here. So the dance moves counterclockwise. It's a four-wall dance. So you're going to shuffle up on the right and shuffle up on the left. 5, 6, 7. Shuffle up. Right, left, right, left. And the last step is on the left. I want you to walk back before. Right, left, left. Okay? So all you did was shuffle up on the right, shuffle up on the left, and you walk back before. 5, 6, 7, shuffle. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now we're going to go to the right, and you're going to rock. Slide right, rock left, right, slide left, rock right, left. So what you do on the right, you do on the left. Slide right, rock left, right, slide left, rock right, left. Okay, so when you slide right, you rock left, right. When you slide left, you rock right, left. Slide right, rock left, right, slide left, rock right, left. Okay, so let's go back to the top with the shuffle up on the right and the left, walk back to 4, and then add the slide. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Shuffle up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 1, 2, rock 3, 4. Slide 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So instructor, make sure you give them the steps first. Call out the steps. Make them become comfortable with that. Add the count. Okay. Here we go. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7. Shuffle up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 1, 2, rock 3, 4. Slide 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to do a stomp. Right, tap. Left, tap. So the same thing you did on the right, you do on the left. Stomp. Left, tap. Stomp. Right, tap. Right, tap. Left, tap. Okay? So let's go back to the top. Let me give you a review. We shuffle up. So this dance, you're moving up first. Shuffle up on the right, shuffle up on the left, and then we're coming back by walking back for 4. Then we're going to the right and the left with the slide and rock. Slide and rock. Then we're going to stomp in place. Right, stomp. Left, tap. So you're doing a tap. Right, tap, left. Left, tap, right. All right, so let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7 with the shuffle. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide. 1, 2, rock 3, 4. Slide 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp. 1, 2 and 3. Tap. 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. All right, from here you're gonna do a shuffle. So a shuffle is not a heel. A heel, you move away from your body. A shuffle, you go towards your body. Shuffle. So you go out and pull it in. Pull. And then we're going to do our turn to the left with 4 more shuffles. Right, left. So we did a drag in or a shuffle, a drag. So we're going to drag first. Drag, and then 4 shuffle. Right, in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a quarter turn with the shuffle. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's your quarter turn to your left. So the dance moves counterclockwise. So let's put the dance together. It's a 32 count, and I'm going to count to make sure I have all the steps on here. Here we go with the shuffle up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's my first count. So I'm going to slide to the right. 1, 2, rock 3, 4, slide 5, 6, 7, 8. That's my second count. We'll do my stomp. 1, 2, and 3, tap 4, left 5, 6, 7, tap 8. That's my third. My third 8 count. Then I'm going to drag. 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter turn, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's my fourth 8 count. So it's a 32 count. Out of that dance, I got 4 8 counts. So it's a 32 count dance, 4-wall dance moving counterclockwise. So let's take it from here. 5, 6, 7, shuffle up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide. 1, 2, rock 3, 4, left 5, 6, 7, 8. Drag 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, and 8. Did you get it? All right. So let's do it again. Moving counterclockwise to the left. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide. 1, 2, rock 3, 4, slide. 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Drag 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're looking back at the camera, right? Now I want you to teach me, okay? So don't look back. I just want you to call it out, all right? Here we go. No. You got to say 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. What's next? Then where we going? And we rock. We stomp. Left. Good job. Did you get it? Good job. That is Nola, Don't Look. It is a 4-wall dance moving counterclockwise. So check this out, instructors. When you have a class, in my class, what I do, in my beginner class, you always have new people to come in. So don't you hate it when you have to stop and teach them? No. Every step, you don't have to. I have a playlist that have these kind of dances on my playlist. So when they come in, because remember, they'll come to your class and they might not come back. Okay? So that means you didn't spend a lot of time with them and they haven't come back. They don't come back. So what I do is, in my playlist, just for my beginners, I have those easy dances that I can just call out and they can pick the steps up on the floor. So while I'm doing that, I'm calling out the name of the steps. So not only are they learning the dance, they learning the steps. And at the end of the class, they've gotten something out of the class, okay? And they're not frustrated, okay? It's easy peasy dances that you can just call out on the floor. Now, I don't make the whole class that, okay? What I do is I explain to them that I have my students that's been coming a while. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play 2 for them and I'm gonna play 2 for my regular class. So I'll have my regular playlist for my beginners and I have intermediate in there also, but I'll play 2 for them. So I'll tell them I'm gonna go back and forth to make sure you get something out of the class. So at the end of the class, most of your beginners, my class is 2 hours. Most of your beginners, after 2 hours, after an hour, they've had enough, okay? So, but because I'm doing 2 and 2, they can hang a little longer. Now, what I do is I tell them when I'm playing the other 2 songs for the other ones that's in the class, they can still stay on the floor. I'll call it out, or they can take them a little break, okay? Because sometimes it might have 2 parts to the dance or whatever. So that is what I do. So instead of stopping your class, instructors, you'll go to that playlist. Create you a playlist where you have line dances that you can just call out and keep the class moving, okay? This is one of those dances. Nola, don't look. I would just call it out and keep the class moving. So there you go. You know I'm gonna always drop some gems. I want to give a shout out to everyone that supported the Nola Southern Experience. We sold out in record time. I do have an instructors workshop. It's 2 days. And those are some of the information that we'll be sharing with you as an instructor. We have so much information. Now the workshop is 2 days, but it's different information both days. It's not the same thing, okay? So keep that in mind. Also, you get a manual. So I want to thank everybody. We have over 100 people that's in that workshop. So you also have an opportunity to meet other instructors. So thank you so very kindly for supporting the Nola Southern Experience. I appreciate y'all guys. That is Nola Don't Look. So this is the step-by-step instruction. If you want to dance along, let's dance along. Also, leave me a comment, share this video, and let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.